Hey everyone, welcome back to JZ Supercars, the channel where we explore the most iconic and exciting vehicles on the planet. Today, we're taking a step back in time to showcase an absolute legend, the 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Apache. This classic pickup isn't just a truck, it's a symbol of American automotive history and style, design and style. The 57 Chevy 3100 Apache stands out with its bold, unmistakable look. From its wide, chrome-laden front grille to the signature wraparound windshield and hooded headlights, every inch of this truck screams vintage cool. The sleek body lines and step-side bed give it a rugged yet refined character, making it a true showstopper even today. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 3100 Apache came with a range of engine options, including the powerful 283 cu in V8. This gave the truck some serious muscle for its time, delivering both reliability and performance. Whether hauling loads or cruising down the highway, the Apache offered a smooth and commanding ride. Legacy and popularity. The 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Apache has earned its place as a favorite among classic car enthusiasts and collectors. Its combination of timeless design and solid engineering makes it a perfect candidate for restorations and custom builds. Today, it's a symbol of an era when trucks were built tough but designed with style. Closing and call to action. That's it for today's look at the incredible 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Apache. If you love this classic beauty, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to JZ Supercars for more amazing automotive